Welcome back. It's good to see you. How did it go back there? How did it go with those upstrokes? Were they all right? Is it feeling a little better now? I hope so, because we're going to use those upstrokes a whole lot in the rest of our days of playing here. So let's get to it and let's have some fun. What we did in the last lesson is we got used to the upstroke. Now we're going to delve into something called 16th notes. We're going to build upon what we just learned in the last lesson, which is that upstroke, and we're going to give them names. We're going to give those upstrokes names, just like we did with the downstrokes. We gave the downstrokes names, like one, and now we're going to give names to the upstrokes. And the 16th notes, that's what these things are going to be called. They're little groupings, and certainly I'm going to explain it for you. 16th notes, really in music, it's modern strumming. I mean, I use the term modern loosely. Down and upstrokes, these things, it's not like, I invented them or anything. But using the upstrokes and 16th note strumming is really, I find, when students begin to say, whoa, I really sound good now. I really sound, I was playing for my friend the other day, and you'll notice a difference. Playing the power chords, a lot of your friends and bandmates will go, whoa, all right, that's really cool. Let's keep going down there. That's awesome. With 16th notes, you will find that they're everywhere in music, and there are several strumming patterns that certainly define certain styles of music. For now, we're just going to learn these 16th notes, but what I'm trying to do is explain and place emphasis on how important 16th note strumming really is. When you hear guitar players, when you hear people playing, that's pretty much what they're doing across all genres, really. Especially pop music, rock music, it's everywhere. It country, bluegrass, it's everywhere, absolutely everywhere. So this is very important. We're going to have a whole lot of fun with it. So here we go. You already know the upstroke. What we're going to do now is we're giving our fretting hand its much deserved break, and let's repeat this over and over. We're going to do 16th notes, and here we go. Let's start with the downstroke. That's going to be 1. All right? Keep your pick down there. Now on the way up, we have E. E, like the letter E, A, B, C, D, E. Now, the downstroke is and, of course, right? Remember that? And then we have the upstroke of So I'm going to break it down for you. 1 and, remember this, 8th notes. 1 and 2 and 3 and, yeah, you have that. Cool. How about 1 and 2 and? Right, that's what we just did in the last lesson. This is 1 E. We didn't name them in the previous lesson. We just got to know them physically. Ready? So we have 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and Let's try some. I mean, this is what we're going to do in the play section, but before you go into the play section, get used to saying 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and Repeat that again and again and again. You just get it in your head. You're brushing your teeth. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and again and again. 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and again. This time we'll put our strumming to it. Ready? We'll do it very slowly. Ready? 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and Again, 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and Excellent. Beautiful. Let's go over to the play section and give that a shot. I'll see you over there.